So do you have a pile of weeds like this that you ripped out of your garden? Well, stick around and I'll show you how to make a cheap DIY compost bin. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Coop, the Wonder Why Farmer here at Wonder Why Farm and Homestead. And today we're going to talk about compost bins and how you can make one cheap at your place. Okay, so here's our materials list. We've got 3 pallets, which I got for free at the local Royal King here. They throw them out back and you can take whatever you want. I've got 4 of these are 5.5 foot T-posts. This would be the expense in the project. I think they're around $3.50 a piece for those. You don't have to use these here. If you had if you had some wood laying around or something, you could do that. These would just be easier to drive in the ground, and then you can just wire up the board tray to it. So that's what we got as far as materials go. It's going to be pretty cheap. I'm going to put it together here, and then you can see the finished product. One other thing I should mention is I'm going to be putting it in this spot right here at the end, and this is the garden bed. It's in pretty bad shape right now, but we're still a little bit early here. We got probably another week and a half or so before the end of frost, but I'm going to put the compost pile right here just for convenience at the around my beds here, so that I can when I pull weeds or whatever, it'll be easy to dump them right in that into the compost pile. So there you have it, guys. See how quickly that was done? From the time I started the video here, it says about 9 minutes. So now this is just one. You could make multiples of this. I could put another board down the center here and divide this. I don't think that I'll have more compost than this. I could put another one over here later. I might do that just to shovel from this one right over the side into the other one here, as opposed to shoveling it out, stirring it up, and then shoveling it back in. But construction wise, it's just these 4 posts. And like I said, I think when I bought these, they were like I think they were $3.25 a piece for these 5.5 foot metal T-posts. The lumber, the pallets, they were free. And all I did was just wire up at the top and the corners there. The posts will keep the rest of it tight. So yeah, so there you have it. There is a very cheap DIY compost bin. I'm going to be leaving a link down here for some other videos about gardening and greenhouse stuff, so check those out. Thanks for tuning in today. God bless.